Hello and a warm welcome to all the wonderful people out there. Welcome back to Soul's Rendezvous. I'm Neha and I'm back with all of you to address the questions on twin flames. This is a small effort from my side to guide those who are on their twin flame journey. I try and help addressing their questions and help them progress with their journey. So let's get started. Friends, today I have picked up a topic that have not been requested to me so far, but I really want to cover this for all the feminines or whosoever is unable to understand what is going in and around them with all the bizarre experiences. At times, we have no one to talk about such experiences as people around us think that there is some kind of mental instability or maybe we are gone crazy. So, I'm here to talk about such uncanny and supreme kind of experiences of soul merging on the twin flame journey. The reason I have yet not covered about this topic on this channel as folks sometimes might get distracted by hearing such experiences and get curious or sometimes may feel anxious about it. I would never want anyone to believe in things until they themselves experience it. Soul merging is another incredible and a breathtaking experience that twin flames encounter. It would not be so easy to describe it in words as this experience is phenomenal in nature and are beyond words. Soul merging is basically about merging of divine masculine and divine feminine energies. Please do not get overwhelmed with the term soul merging here, as this merging is not a literal merging of souls. Souls are already connected and are one when it comes to twin flames. Soul merging can be seen as the merging of masculine and feminine energies within a body. All divine feminines must have experienced their masculine energies in some way or the other by seeing them regularly in their visions, in their dreams, and in some of the cases they must have experienced astral travel with their divine counterpart. Universe has its own mysterious ways to make twin flames realize about their counter energies in different forms and unfold such experiences so as they are awakened to this spiritual journey. The visions, dreams, and astral travel is genuine enough as in you are actually present in that very place in that very moment. Soul merging is one of such process during the awakening period. After experiencing all the dark nights of the soul and healing some of the inner wounds, when the divine feminines are awakened to the spirituality, so much so that they start feeling the solace and solitude around them. They understand the journey entirely and release the illusion of separation. They release the ego, they release all the problems or hindrances that are coming their way to be in union with their own self. They understand about the soul consciousness. There is no soul merge in a literal sense. This is a gradual process and can never happen overnight. Twin flame journey is a true spiritual journey and a journey of awakening to the spiritual consciousness. It makes us consciously aware of our body, our mind, and our soul. And it always reminds you that soul is one. It's a journey of being. Now, after doing the inner work, the divine masculines and feminines reach a state where there is no obsession, there is no desperation, and of course, since they have learned to detach from each other, there is no possession either. Or you can say both are being healed at their own level. They tend to release all the unrequired emotions and embrace the consciousness who they genuinely are. They acknowledge their own self. They acknowledge their own existence. They feel one with their counterpart. They might not need their twin flame in the physical form once they get the awareness that they are not different and are one soul. Now, question might come to your mind how the soul merging happens and how twin flames get to know that the merging has occurred already. As I always say that every journey is different and so are the experiences. In some cases, they are shown the merging happening in the dreams. In some cases, they see this soul merging happening in their visions. and some are blessed enough to feel this merging happening in their real senses, that they could literally feel the merge. The soul merging happens when both the counterparts understand about their roles over the journey and are aware that they have their counter energies present on the 3D plane. Like the awakening process, divine feminines are the first one to experience the soul merge. Now you may ask why only divine feminine encounters all this when both the energies are divine and are each other's counter energies. What I believe is the more the person is spiritually awakened, the one who is more dedicated towards the journey and the inner work would encounter such experiences. Both the energies have experiences, but their experiences may vary based upon their inner wounds. Generally, feminines are emotional beings, and the kind of pain they have already seen with all those dark nights, they are more focused and dedicated towards the inner work and healing their inner self. So, this could be another reason why they tend to get such experiences first. Speaking about other indications where soul merging occurred, could be the twin flames will be in the same state of mind and the same feeling that they used to feel with their divine counterpart. Same energy level, same happiness, same joyfulness, even if they are not in contact with their divine feminine or masculine. They would be in a feeling of gratitude all the time. The state of mindfulness will definitely make them recall all the old times they have spent with their counterpart, but now there would not be any negative emotions around them as soul merging is already complete, and by now they must have healed all their issues. All you can say, it would be a true state of oneness. After soul merging, twin flames share energetic symptoms and the mannerism also. They would start picking and recognize each other's emotions as the exchange of energies will be much higher now. Telepathy had always been stronger among twin flames, and now it would shift to another level. They would feel drastic shifts in their energy level and in their life as well. Some twin flames have claimed that they have started behaving like their counter energies. It could be the way of walking, the way of talking, or for that matter, any other physical similarities might develop once this soul merge occurs in them. Isn't this all phenomenal? Friends, I was so lost in explaining all these experiences that I lost track of the time. I would be covering about the soul merge experiences in another video and will share more information on this. You may also comment if any of you have experienced any such experience ever. I would love to share it with our audience. Those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe if you feel called to. It would help me spread the word. Thank you so much for being with me. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and love yourself.